The incredible benefits of drinking clove water. A simple drink with life-changing benefits. Have you ever wondered how a simple spice sitting in your kitchen could transform your health? Today, we're diving into the amazing benefits of drinking clove water, a drink that not only boosts your health but could change your life. Let's uncover why this ancient remedy has stood the test of time. What is clove water? Clove water is simply made by soaking dried clove buds in water, allowing their natural oils and nutrients to infuse. Cloves, known for their powerful medicinal properties, are tiny but mighty. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, they have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But when you infuse them into water, the health benefits are amplified and much easier for your body to absorb. Before we explore the benefits, let's take a closer look at what cloves bring to the table. In cloves, you will find 1. Eugenol, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. 2. Vitamin C, which boosts immunity. 3. Vitamin K, which supports healthy blood clotting. 4. Calcium, magnesium, and iron, essential for bone health, muscle function, and oxygen transport. 5. Fiber, which helps in digestion. 6. Antimicrobial properties, which combat bacteria and fungi. Now, imagine sipping on this nutrient-packed water every day. Let's see what it can do for you. 1. Boosts your digestion. If you struggle with bloating, indigestion, or an upset stomach, clove water is your new best friend. Cloves contain compounds that stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food. Drink clove water after meals to soothe your digestive system and prevent bloating. 2. Strengthens your immune system. In today's world, a strong immune system is a necessity, not a luxury. The antioxidants in clove water, especially eugenol, fight off free radicals that weaken your immunity. Plus, the antimicrobial properties help your body ward off infections. Start your mornings with a warm glass of clove water to give your immune system the jumpstart it needs. 3. Promotes oral health. Ever noticed clove oil in toothpastes or mouthwashes? That's because cloves are fantastic for oral health. Drinking clove water can reduce bad breath, soothe gum inflammation, and even prevent cavities thanks to its antibacterial properties. Quick hack. Use clove water as a natural mouthwash to keep your breath fresh all day. 4. Reduces inflammation and pain. Do you suffer from joint pain or muscle aches? Clove water can help. Eugenol, the superstar compound in cloves, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. It reduces swelling and eases discomfort in conditions like arthritis or post-workout soreness. 5. Enhances skin health. Struggling with acne or dull skin? The antioxidants and antibacterial properties in clove water work wonders for your skin. They help fight acne-causing bacteria, reduce inflammation, and give you that healthy, youthful glow. Tip: combine clove water with your skincare routine for an inside-out glow. 6. Helps regulate blood sugar. Clove water is a hidden gem for people managing diabetes or pre-diabetes. Cloves improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking clove water regularly can contribute to better glucose control. Important reminder: always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you're on medication. 7. A natural detox for your body. Toxins building up in your body can leave you feeling sluggish and tired. Clove water acts as a gentle detoxifier, flushing out harmful toxins and improving liver function. A healthier liver means a healthier you. Challenge. Try drinking clove water for 7 days and notice the difference in your energy levels. 8. Supports weight loss goals. Looking for a natural way to speed up your metabolism? Clove water can help. It boosts your metabolism, improves digestion, and reduces water retention, all essential factors for weight loss. Tip. Combine clove water with a balanced diet and exercise for maximum results. 9. Improves respiratory health. Cloves have been used for centuries to treat respiratory conditions. Whether you're battling a cold, asthma, or a sore throat, drinking clove water can help clear mucus, reduce inflammation, and soothe your airways. Quick fix. Warm clove water with honey is a fantastic natural remedy for sore throats. How to make cloves water. Making clove water is incredibly simple. Here's what you need. Ingredients: 4 to 5 cloves, 1 cup of water. Steps: 1. Boil a cup of water. 2. Add cloves and let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Strain the water and let it cool slightly. Optional add-ons: add a slice of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for extra flavor and benefits. When to drink clove water. To maximize its benefits, drink clove water. 1. In the morning. Kickstart your metabolism and boost immunity. 2. After meals. Aid digestion and prevent bloating. 3. Before bed. Relax your muscles and improve sleep quality. Note: while clove water is generally safe, moderation is key. Avoid drinking more than 1 cup daily to prevent potential side effects like heartburn or an upset stomach. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before drinking clove water. Who knew that something as simple as clove water could be so powerful? It's affordable, easy to make, and packed with benefits. Whether you're looking to improve digestion, boost immunity, or simply glow from the inside out, clove water is your go-to solution. Why not start your clove water journey today and see the difference for yourself? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. And let us know in the comments if you've tried clove water. See you in the next video.